I don't know what is up with my camera settings, but guys, today's a special day. Hey, I don't bite. We are going to groom Chase because quarantine has closed everything. So including groomers. We got Chase, sorry babe. And these Easy Clip Versa interchangeable blade clipper 13-piece kit. Where's the kit? There's the kit. Tomorrow's my boy's first birthday, so we gotta get him right. I just wanted to vlog this experience because this is gonna be one for the books. Hey Chasey, how do you feel about getting your first, how do you feel about getting your first, stop following me. Wait, I'm just trying to talk to you. Vlog this, let you guys see how it looks, and then let me know in the comments below how he looks. Guys, this is so bad. It literally looks like a carpet. It's like that's what it was like when it was on, off. Do it on again. On, off. Brush your dogs, guys. Do not be like me. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Jace! Jace! Look. He's not, he does not want to run. He doesn't want to do anything. Oh shit. What's he about to play with? Chase, you don't like it?
Oh man.
You don't like it?
Happy birthday, Chase. Wait, it's his birthday too?
Yeah. He's one.
Big one.
He's like, Chris, please help me, somebody, anybody.
No, I have to fix it.
He likes you.
Right, he took his ear out.
I don't know why. I don't know why. He always stick onto me.
He likes people. He sticks on everybody.
Now he's looking a little normal.
Chase hates it. Birthday, Sid. How do you feel about your birthday? Are you got a party hat? All right, we got another hat for him. Happy birthday, Chasey. Hi. Next year, we're going to get you a shirt, okay? Look at his haircut. Oh, my gosh. I'm about to show you guys his haircut. We totally missed so many spots. He's bald.
You got every spot.
No, his face is missing a lot. We got him looking janky on his birthday.
It's quarantine birthday.
Right? You in the house anyway. Hello guys, this is quarantine vlog. I don't even know. I guess it's gonna be vlog too. So we are here today.
What's up?
He's doing better, guys. He's doing better. So we are here somewhere in Queens getting this dude a gosh, baby brain. What the hell's the name of this?
Corona test?
Yes, he's gonna get tested for COVID-19. He is in the healthcare profession, so his job just sent him out to do this. We don't think he got corona. He looks fine. So yeah, hopefully I can get some footage of how they do it, because I'm curious to see this. Are you scared?
No, I'm not.
You know they like stick a Q-tip like holding the back of your thoughts?
Babe, that was Drake's line.
He for real?
Yes, he said that.
About COVID?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. I swear I didn't know that. I'm clever.
You say you're clever?
Yeah. I really didn't know that. I just said it.
Now I know you know.
How?
I played the video for you.
Babe, you think I remember that?
And then Mari called and said it, and I'm like, you remember that?
And now that you say it, I remember, but that's not why I said it. Whatever, guys. I'm clever. Drake got it from me. So, yeah. Hopefully, I'll be able to get some footage of it and let you guys see.
That shit was crazy. That shit was so far on my nose, buddy. I think I started crying.
All right, so unfortunately, I could not go in with him. I actually assumed that they were coming out because they kicked him out of the office. Like, oh, we'll do it in the car. So that's why I thought I'll be able to record. But he is back.
My nose still hurts.
He looks up. Tell us about your experience.
Oh, God. The doctor didn't want to come in. Niggas made me sad. They called me on the phone and talked to me.
Are you serious?
No cap. Made me sit there by myself. And then they just came into my vitals and stuck a Q-tip in my nose. Like all the way up my nose.
Oh my gosh.
All the way up.
Both nostrils or just one?
Both of them. It's annoying. I got it on video, you gonna see.
Alright, we're about to insert the clip of what happened. You ready? Not so bad.
That's a big Q-tip.
I know, we used to have small, I think, because we've gone through different waves of devices.
Right.
This is the third generation of
Jesus.
device that we're of swab that we're using.
Scared.
You ready? Okay.
Oh, God.
Alright, and now the other side once you're ready. I'll give you a moment. Need to get you a, you don't have a tissue. But there you go.
Girl, I'm ready.
Just in case.
Jesus.
You ready? Get a little with that side one.
You crop.
I'm sorry. Okay, that's it. You're good. Yeah, you kind of have to go in there, or else it's not going to be a good swab. And you're set.
I still feel it in there.
It'll pass, I promise. Oh my gosh, Babe, that was too much for me. My nose hurts. Like, I think it should be fine, because no, a lot of people thought they was fine. Good morning, guys. Welcome to quarantine vlog number, I don't even know. It's gonna be all compiled. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, so I decided to get up and exercise. Me and baby B are out here. Baby daddy went inside for something, I don't know what, but whatever. So I'm about to just do some yoga, and he's gonna do some, I think the word is calisthenics. So I follow this YouTube video. I just type in prenatal yoga, and I do like a 10-minute something, and then I start doing some squats. So watch us work, watch us work. Hello, I am back with Chase. So we are on our way just to have like a nice little day outside. Like I told you guys this morning, it was so beautiful. So now I want to go find a nice little destination to take really cute pictures. I have on my maternity dress that you probably saw in my what's that thing called?
Maternity
fashion haul. Thank you. My maternity fashion haul. So I gotta put this stuff to use, because with quarantine, I don't know when we're gonna get out of it. I don't know if I'm ever have a chance to wear this stuff, so definitely want to take advantage. If y'all didn't know, Chase hates bikes. I don't know if he doesn't understand the concept of how the bike is moving and it doesn't have legs. I don't know what it is, but he hates bikes. Like wholeheartedly will square up with a bike if he could. Chase really thinks he's somebody in this world. Like somebody's scared of him.
Oh, that's my son. Oh, she might, hopefully.
Oh snap, y'all. There's bikes. Chase! Chase! Shh! So we have, is this focused? We made it off to my quarantine photo shoot. Look out for this picture on the gram. Chase is just bugging out, like.
Chase, come here.
Oh boy, here goes another bike. Hello, and happy Sunday. Right now, we are on our way to go get this free registry box from Target. I'm super excited to see what's in it. Baby daddy has a friend that works there, and he said that like the box is elite. You know, people be giving you free stuff, but it'd be like BS. But yeah, he said this stuff is good. And if a guy says something like that, you know.
it gotta be good.
Okay, so we are in Target. I have never been so excited to be in Target before. This is like the highlight of my day. We got it! Free is for me. I'm gonna show you guys all that's in my bag when I get in the car. I'm so excited. My puff definitely shrunk in this rain, but we're gonna get into this registry bag. I'm like super excited if I have not expressed that to y'all. I got a MAM bottle. A lot of babies using this. They like it. Kind of resembles the nipple. I got Aquaphor healing ointment. Just a little sample size of it. But my girl Kenya bought me the... She bought me Aquaphor? Yeah, I think she bought me Aquaphor. She bought me the full size, so we don't need that. Buggy wipes, a smarter way to pump, nursing pads, and 2 storage breast milk bags. That's gonna come in handy. Some wipes. This will definitely be put in the bag just to have. I might not, I don't plan on using Honest Company stuff on the baby. But as I said, this can definitely come in handy for like just on the go, and I just need to throw something in the bag. Oh, the little baby has a onesie. Oh my gosh, she has so many of these. This is gonna be too small for her big head. Look at this little neck. This is, I told you, my kid's head is huge. Babe, this is not going over her head. You know that. No, it's not. Formula. Plan on giving my baby formula, but I'm not gonna be shallow about it if I have to. It is what it is. Wow, that's so crazy. Wow, look what I got. It's a changing thing.
It was just from my mind, man.
Yes, that's so crazy, right? Yeah. So it's a changing pad. So like if I'm changing the baby anywhere in public or even at home, I can use this. And we got 2 of them, so that was so nice. Aww. Ooh, Dr. Brown's bottle come through. Nice. I think this one is the glass one.
I thought you was about to say Dr. Brown is soap.
No, babe, Dr. Brown's. I can just open it, right? It's the little plastic one. Oh, look at her little bottle. That's really nice. And I think I put both of these brand bottles on my registry, so if she likes them, she got one of each free one. And then a little bottle of Johnson's Cotton Touch newborn wash and soap. So that's what we got in here. As I said, everything else is just basically doubles. But guys, if I might say so myself, I made my registries. I have three registries: Amazon, Target, and Bye Bye Baby. By far, my favorite registry is the Target registry. One, I just feel like it's friendly for people who are purchasing things for me. 2, damn, I really have baby brain. 2, I can track the gift. So like on Bye Bye Baby, if somebody purchases me a gift, I cannot track it. With the other one, with Target, I'm able to track the gifts and see who purchased it from me. And they also keep it a secret, so I could just press the button that says like reveal sender, and it'll say like, oh, the person who sent it and the little note that they sent to me. And that also comes with the gift. I haven't received a Bye Bye Baby gift as yet, but I did just order something for my pregnant friend, and honestly, she couldn't even track the gift. I done bought the gift and forgot about the gift, and then like 2-3 weeks later, she wrote me like, hey, can you track the gift for me? Long story short, the gift got stolen. So had she not asked me to track the gift for her, my money would have just been in somebody else's pocket. But yeah, so I really love this Target registry. I really love that they gave us stuff. I know Amazon also gives us stuff, but Amazon has like a checklist for me to go through in order for me to get the stuff. And I just feel like I'm not jumping through hell and high waters to get no free stuff. Like, free is for me, but that's just doing too much. But this will be the end of the vlog. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you next one. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the sweetest. I just opened this, and look what's inside. They gave us a pamper and some more coupons and some wipes. So sweet. Thank you.